Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access notifications. After that, tap on Manage App Notifications and click on this switcher at the top to block them from all of your apps. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them, like Chrome. Then switch them back on the same way. You can also just click on one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!